Ako, mukhang nagmamadali si Atty. Torion, abogado po ni dating Pangulong Duterte, papunta sa Supreme Court. Ano kayang sadya niya dyan? Mukhang, wag naman sana. Mukhang magulo na ngayon Pero bakit? Tameme pa rin si Dunyor. Dunyor, nasaan ka? Bakit tameme ka? O ito, panoorin po natin ang paliwanag po ni Atty. Torion kung ano po yung ginawa niya dyan sa Supreme Court. May kinasuhan ba? Or kung ano ba yung inihihain nila dyan? Ito yung video.
Tansing of the Bureau of Immigration, Honorable Enrique Manalo in his capacity as Secretary of Foreign Affairs, General Romeo S. Browner in his capacity as Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Essentially, what is this petition all about? This is a petition which calls for the respondents to cease from cooperating with the International Criminal Court. On what ground? On the ground based itself on the Rome Statute, Article 127, Paragraph 2, which states that after we have withdrawn from the Rome Statute, Philippines is no longer under the jurisdiction of the ICC. If you note, we already filed our note verbal, and as a matter of fact, our written notice to the United Nations that we are no longer a party to the International Criminal Court as early as March 17 of 2018, and such withdrawal became effective on March 17 of 2019. Under Article 127, Paragraph 2 of the Rome Statute, it states that only matters which are under consideration by the ICC, which creates the probability that the ICC may retain its jurisdiction. But as early as 2018, what was opened was only a preliminary examination by the Office of the Prosecutor. It was not a judicial action. It was not sanctioned by then the pre-trial chamber of the ICC, and therefore, Article 127, Paragraph 2 does not apply.
Kung ang sabi, mukhang illegal daw yung pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Duterte. Ako, pagalingan sa pagiging abogado yan. And then, siyempre, sa Supreme Court, siguro naman, patas po yan. Kung ano po yung nasasaad sa batas, yun po yung susundin nila. Kaya, ngayon po, sa araw na to, sana, habang inaayos po nila yan, may mga petisyon ginawa, huwag naman kalimutan kung ano yung kalagayan ni dating Pangulong Duterte. 80 years old na po iyon. Diba? Kailangan kasi pag na-stress po yun, alam nyo naman, pag na-stress tapos may edad na po ang ating dating Pangulong Duterte, kailangan mayroong doktor or payagan naman na ma-check yung medical condition po niya. Kasi kung ano man